Eamcet 2020 will be postponed or not. So before starting with the video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest update regarding the Eamcet 2020. As you all people know that Andhra Pradesh State Council for Higher Education has recently announced the revised dates of Eamcet 2020. So the dates of Eamcet for engineering stream are 17th, 18th, 21st, 22nd and 23rd September. So and for agriculture, the dates are 23rd, 24th and 25th September 2020. It is also updated on the official website of Eamcet 2020. You can see on the screen. So if you talk regarding the postponation of Eamcet from these dates, so as you all know that the Telangana state government is conducting all the sets of Telangana. They had successfully completed TS ecet, TS polyset examinations in the state. And now the Telangana government is ready to conduct TS MCET 2020 examination as scheduled given recently. So as the Telangana government is conducting successfully all the sets of Telangana, so there are higher chances of conducting of AP sets also. So the APM set will be conducted as scheduled given in the official website. So you kindly focus on your preparation because you are having very less time. So don't waste your time on the social medias. You just focus on your preparation for this leftover time. So that's all for this video. Make sure to share this informative video with your friends and family members. For more updates regarding the Eamcet 2020 examination, make sure to join my WhatsApp group. The link is available in the description. Thanks for watching.